How to remove uninstalled items from Started tab from Task Manager of Windows 10 or 11. If you want to remove the uninstalled items from Startup tab from Task Manager of Windows 10 or 11, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is make sure to actually go ahead and then from the bottom right of the Task Manager, right click on it and simply go to the Task Manager option. Now from here up, what we can do is we can see this option that says Startup Apps. So first you want to go to Startup Apps, and here if you see the app, even if it is currently enabled, you can just select that, right click on it and select Disable. So if there's a third party app that is enabled during startup, right click on it and then click on the Disable button to disable it. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically figure out how you can remove the uninstalled items from Startup Apps list. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in the next video.